Hello everyone, welcome to another video, and this is going to be informational video about OpenAI servers, who hosts OpenAI servers and where. Now this is a very interesting question, and I have been digging a little bit to kind of get to know where OpenAI servers are being hosted. Now, as you can see here, we can see where is GPT-3 hosted. This is 7 months ago, and it's pretty much the same still. As you can see, apparently they use their supercomputer in Ohio for training, but different servers from different locations for inference, right? So as you can see, most of the requests that people make are endpoints goes to USA, right? So they are basically located in USA. Also, I found another informational article right here, Azure OpenAI. Basically, Azure OpenAI is an OpenAI service, right? And their service is actually hosted on Microsoft Cloud AI Service. Because Microsoft purchased a license for OpenAI algorithms and APIs, which is called Azure OpenAI, that's why it is basically on Microsoft Cloud AI Service, right? It basically hosts on that. But usually they host in USA, right? And as you can see, inference is very expensive for such model, but it's nothing compared to what it's needed for training. So why don't they deploy the model in EU and Asia in addition to the US? And then as you can see right here, it's Ohio from my knowledge, and it's mostly to do with electricity costs, legal restrictions, and oversight. I'm sure they would love to host it in China. So that's basically the answer on who hosts OpenAI servers, right? Obviously, this is what it is from my knowledge. Obviously, if you know any other reference, go and comment down below. Would love to see where they host their OpenAI servers, but usually it is Ohio for now. And a part of it is in Microsoft, right? Or with Microsoft Cloud AI Service. Now, again, thank you guys for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next video.